Hey boys and girls, welcome to another super exciting outrageous toy review. Today we're telling more jokes. Today's video is all about bunnies and rabbits. So let's hope there's some funny bunnies over here. What do you call a really cool rabbit? A hip hopper. Where do rabbits go after their wedding? On a bunny moon.
When is an elephant like a cute little bunny rabbit? When he's wearing his cute little bunny rabbit outfit.
What do you call an unusual rabbit? A rare hare.
What do you call the everyday routines of a bunny? Rabbit's habits. Heh, heh, heh.
Hey Winston, I've got a riddle for you.
Okay, shoot.
Can you say Richard and Robert have a rabbit without using the R sound? Oh, sure. Dick and Bob have a bunny. Hi-oh!
How far can a rabbit run into the woods? Halfway. Because after that, he's running out of the woods.
What do you call an affectionate rabbit? A tender, loving hare. Hey guys! Which side of a rabbit has the most fur? Give up? The outside! Nah. What's up, Doc? A rabbit and a duck went into a restaurant for dinner. Who paid? The duck, because he had the bill. How many rabbits does it take to change a light bulb? Just one if he hops right to it. Oh! If you have 100 rabbits in a row and 99 of them take one step back, what do you have? A receding hairline. What do you get if you cross an insect with a rabbit? Bugs Bunny.
How do you know which rabbits are the oldest in a group? Look for the gray hairs.
How do you catch a unique rabbit? I don't know. Unique up on it. How do you catch a tame rabbit? I have no idea. Tame way. Unique up on it. Well, thanks for stopping by and checking out this super exciting, outrageous toy review. If you know a good joke, leave it in the comments below. Maybe we'll use it in a future video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button.